Okay, year 12. So for question 3 then, given that k is a constant, find, and then we're going to integrate this expression here with respect to x. So we're integrating with respect to x. So for part A, I'm just going to begin by rewriting as 4x to the power of minus 3 plus kx. So we're integrating with respect to x. After that then, when we integrate, we add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. We add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. We now just need to simplify what we've got written here. So this becomes, well, 4 divided by minus 2 is minus 2 over x squared, because this x to the minus 2 is just 1 over x squared. And then it will be plus half k x squared. And then, because we are integrating and we're not integrating between limits, this is indefinite integration, we need to remember our constant of integration, which is plus c. So this is our final answer. Okay, so then with part B. So part B says hence, so we're going to use our answer to part A to help us out. So my answer, my integrated expression from part A was this. Now with part A, there was a plus c. With part B, there needs to be no plus c because we're integrating between particular limits, so between 2 and 0.5. So when you integrate between limits, we substitute both values in and then subtract. So first of all, I'm going to substitute x equals 2, and then I'm going to substitute in x equals 0.5. So when x equals 2, I get minus 2 for 2 squared plus half times k times 2 squared, and I'll simplify that in a minute. And then when x equals 0.5, we get minus 2 over 0.5 squared plus 1/2 times k times 0.5 squared. And then when we are integrating between two limits, we subtract to get our area, and we're told in the question that this is equal to 8. So if you've got to something that looks like this, that's fantastic. And now we just need to be really careful with all of our simplifying. So simplifying our first expression here gives minus 1/2 plus 2k, like that. And then when I simplify my second bracket, I am going to get minus 8 plus 1/8 k. And so then this is still equal to 8. Let's simplify our left hand side. So we've got minus 1/2 minus minus 8, which is 15 over 2. And then we've got 2k minus 1/8 k. So 2 minus 1/8 is 15 over 8. And that's equal to 8. So now we've got an equation that we can solve. So to solve this, I would subtract 15 over 2 from both sides, leaving me with 15/8 k equals 1/2. And so then to find k, we would divide both sides by 15 over 8. We're doing 1/2 divided by 15 over 8, giving me that k equals 4/15. And this is my final answer for part B.